The Vivo V29e. This device is all set to redefine the way we experience mobile technology. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and take a closer look at what the Vivo V29e has in store for us. The Vivo V29e boasts a stunning design that seamlessly combines elegance and functionality. With dimensions of 162.5 by 75.8 by 7.7 mm, it strikes the perfect balance between a large display and a comfortable grip. Available in captivating black, green, and blue color options, this device is designed to make a statement. Speaking of the display, the Vivo V29e features a massive 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 20:9 aspect ratio. This ensures an immersive visual experience that's perfect for everything from browsing to gaming. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 398p, every detail comes to life. Moreover, the Corning Gorilla Glass protection ensures durability without compromising on style. And with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and HDR10+ support, you can expect vibrant colors and smooth animations. Under the hood, the Vivo V29e is powered by the Qualcomm SM4350AC Snapdragon 480 Plus 5G chipset, ensuring exceptional performance and seamless multitasking. With an octa-core CPU, 2x2, 2 GHz Cryo 460 and 6x1, 8 GHz Cryo 460, and Adreno 619 GPU, this smartphone is geared towards handling everything from intensive apps to graphically demanding games. Paired with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and internal storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, UFS 3.1, the Vivo V29e offers ample space for your apps, files, and media. The device runs on Android 13 with Vivo's Origin OS Ocean user interface, enhancing user experience and customization. Moving on to photography, the Vivo V29e boasts an impressive camera setup. On the rear, it houses a dual camera system, a 64MP primary sensor with f/1.8 aperture, depth, and always for stunning clarity and stability, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. This combination ensures your memories are captured with exceptional detail and depth. On the front, there's a remarkable 50MP selfie camera with f/2.0 aperture. This lens promises to capture your best side, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether it's selfies, group video calls, or content creation, the Vivo V29e's camera system is ready to impress. Staying connected is a breeze with the Vivo V29e. It supports Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6 for fast and stable internet connections. Bluetooth 5.3, A2DP, LA, and apt-HD ensure seamless connectivity with other devices. Additionally, the device offers NFC, USB Type-C 2.0, and even FM radio for added convenience. Powering all these features is a robust 4600 mAh LiPo non-removable battery. And with 80 watts fast charging, you can juice up your phone in no time. The Vivo V29e also supports wireless charging, making sure you're always ready to go. Now, let's talk about the pricing. In the United States, the Vivo V29e is expected to be priced at around $300 for the 8/128 variant. In India, the 8/128 model is estimated to be around 24,999 rupees. It's important to note that prices may vary based on different regions and configurations. To wrap it up, the Vivo V29e is truly an upcoming device that's setting the bar high for mobile technology. With its powerful performance, stunning display, and impressive camera system, it's shaping up to be a game changer in the smartphone market. Stay tuned for its official launch in August 2023. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this sneak peek into the Vivo V29e, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.